practically to our people. Mashaba says he's not going into a coalition that will get votes from the ANC. Our coalition is very simple to Mashaba. We give you Joburg. You don't have to include the ANC, but the ANC must vote for you because ourselves and you, we don't have numbers. We need these numbers of the ANC to help us get a clean government. They don't come with you. They just vote for you and we keep them out. And then you run the municipality and deliver to our people. He says, no, I can't. I don't even want the vote of the ANC. Refusing to constitute a clean municipality without the ANC. Because we're very simple. We give Mashaba Joburg, EFF takes Tshwane, the ANC takes Ekurhuleni. We don't co-govern. We all govern alone. We don't want the coalition. We all govern alone. We vote for you here, you are executive. We are executive here, Mashaba is executive there. Everywhere where we are, you are an executive. One of us is your opposition in the legislature, meaning the speaker and all of that, to monitor you and hold you to deliver to our people. It's as simple as that. If it's Mashaba who can do it in Joburg, we can give it to him. Because coalition is about give and take. It's not about take over everything. So we're prepared to swallow our pride and even give the enemy agents power in order to take power somewhere and demonstrate how best the EFF can deliver to our people.